Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we are going to look at, because I almost said it yesterday, but today we're going to look at how to multi-sort. So we did yesterday, what we were looking at is the key argument. And the next step is, well, how can we have a list and do multi-sorts on it? So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So we're going to look at a kind of interesting list. So let's just look at it. Here we go. Copy, paste. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to use from the operator module the item getter function. So let's bring that in from operator. Import item getter. Alright, so we bring that in. So we might as well bring this into memory and actually look and see what it does. But it is just another example. Help on item getter. Alright, so call and return the second object. So basically, I can pass through and it will sort in this order. So I'm going to basically be passing it indexes to then sort that way. So if you can look right here, I have some repeats, some non-repeats. So let's just get at it. So I have my new, and I'm going to pass it assign sorted, because I'm assigning it to a new variable, because what? Sorted returns a new list, so it's creating. So I'm going to pass it data, then my key is going to be item getter, and then I pass that. First we're going to sort it off the first index. Alright, oops, did not print it, so we can't see anything. So we're going to print data, and then we're going to print new, so we can see this on top of each other. Excuse me. So alright, so first we are going through, and I want my first index, my second item, I guess that isn't very creative. I have them already set that way. So let's sort by the. Here we go. Yep, 001 0 1 or 001 011. So let's go by the second index. All right. So now I have zeros all first, then my ones. So now let's do a multi-sort. So I want to go by the first index, the second item, then I want it sorted by the first item, the 0 index. So right now I have red, blue, blue, red, red, blue. So what should happen is I will get I will be in ascending order, then I should have blues next. So check this out. Alright, so now I have, here we go, ones, then twos, then threes, then fours. But then after I stop at my ones, then I have an alphabetical order, blue, then red, then I have then all, then blue, and then 3, then 4. All right? So now, check this out. So now what happens if I want to go by, I want here, then, yeah, this is what I want. So I want to go by first index, then second index, then 0 index. So I want to go by my second, third, and then first item sorting. So check this out. I have zeros first. Then I have them in order of here. And then to then distinguish between the ones here, I have alphabetical order, blue, then red. So this is how you can use sorted. If you're not dealing with data frames and you don't want to dump this in and you just want these sorted, you can use item getter from the operator module. This is just another fantastic tool of how in the world to sort and do multiple sorts on a list of lists. So there we go, guys. Please check out these videos at the end. And as always, please drop comments, questions, video requests. You guys are asking some great questions. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.